Hey friends, if you're unable to purchase apps from the Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. Now, earlier, whenever a person was unable to do something on the Microsoft Store, we suggested them to use the online version. However, that is not an option now because the online version will simply redirect you to the offline version. Not the offline one, but the system app. So, first of all, please check for the payment information. Is your card correct? Do you have enough balance on your debit card or credit card? If yes, then you can go ahead, otherwise, it will be a problem. The next one is to simply reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter to reset the Microsoft Store. And the last option is to sync the date and time. And how would you sync the date and time? So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time in the right pane, turn on all these three switches, click on sync now, and wait for a tick to come forward. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.